Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit one color video on CapCut. So here I've already imported a clips, and if you want to make the one color video, you need to choose which color on the video that you want to stand out. For example, I want to make the yellow color of the flower to stand out, so you can just go to adjust and here click on HSL, and here I'm going to get rid of the color besides yellow. So here I'm going to just click on the green, and then you can just lower the saturations into minus 100 like this, so that the yellow will be more stand out. And you can also click on the yellow color and adjust the luminance to make it more stand out like this. I'm going to adjust it to 70, and you can just go back, click on the check icon, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.